there is one thing in this world that gets me jazzed, motivated, pumped up, hype, happy, the happiest I've ever been in my entire life, it's a dupe. Dupe alert! The e.l.f. Halo Liquid Filter. I was so close! Today we have the Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I'm in the color 1. Like, is anyone surprised in this? Because, oh my god. Did that leave a mark? Because I'm calling the police. Where is my beauty sponge? Anyway, let's talk about this Halo Glow Liquid Filter. First of all, I am just a basic bee, and I need somebody to help me understand what this is, how to use it. I need help. Help! I'm here to talk to you today about this Halo Glow Liquid Filter. It costs $14. I'm done. Why do they have to know all this stuff? I have a busy schedule. It says it's a complexion glow booster for glowing, soft, focused look. It's showing 13 swatches, but says there's 8 shades. Cruelty-free, vegan. It's got squalene, hyaluronic acid, finely milled powders. Did they put that on the wrong description? This is liquid. Great for normal, dry, oily, and combination skin. I can't imagine this being good for oily skin. Let me know in the comments. It says glowy makeup and skincare hybrid for dewy skin. There is 1.06 fluid ounces. And it is water-based. I actually have so much to do, so I have to go. Back to you. Thank you so much for your help. You're amazing. These together, that's gonna be a no for me, dog. This is not, they're not soulmates. They don't like each other. They kind of like bump heads. They kind of like fight at recess, you know? These together. There's a freaking eyelash little nub. These together, we are friends. These are friends. These together are definitely better because I'm gonna tell you a secret that no one else in the entire world is gonna say. I've watched so many reviews on this and no one's talking. This is Texture City, baby. This is Texture City, baby. Texture City, baby. So when you add like a gripping primer that grips to your texture and then you put a grippy halo filter on top of the grippy grip, it's just texture. It's a lot. I'm like not here for it. However, when I added this to this, did a little mixy with a spoolie like Meredith Daxbury, put that on. This looks so good. I look flawless. I look flawless. And I did use this with that combination. So if you add a little bit of like medium to high coverage buildable foundation, I think it'll work out. However, like just these alone on their own, they need a third wheel. They need a mediator. They need somebody to be like, this isn't healthy and we should move on, you know? They need something like that. So we've got our mediator. On its own, I have tried it many times. I think it's pretty. Am I here? I've just, okay. Let's have a talk. Let's have a chat. Let's have a girl chat. Guys, I'm your best friend, right? Okay. We're besties for the resties, okay? I would never lie to you. Clean girl makeup is not it. It's not it, girl. I can't do it. I can't personally. I'm just not here for it. I look bad. Genuinely. I'm not like it's just I don't look like good. That's, you know, I can't explain it. and I'm not going to any further. I'm just not here for it. I need full coverage, I need full coverage, okay? I'm a full coverage queen, and I've been trying so hard with this stupid clean girl makeup stuff. I'm like, okay, Hailey Bieber. Yeah. Okay, D'Amelios. Okay, TikTok trends, let me try it. No, it's not for me. It's not for me. So I stopped doing that. However, if you're a clean girl person, try it out. Let me know in the comments if you like it on its own. It's the no for me. It's a no for me. I just think it's slippy slidey, it's textury, it's like not doing enough for me, you know? We're not all the same. So this is just my review. I think it's a wonderful product. It mixed with this, I literally have never looked better than right now. And I know it's because of that. So, is this Bree approved as a dupe? I don't know because I have not tried the Charlotte Tilbury version. This is going to get a big ol' seal of approval as a mix-in from Bree. This is basic Bree approved. I'm here for it. I think it's a great mix-in. I think it radiates, it makes radiance in your foundation. Love the formula, love the feel, and love how it blends. So she's part of the fam. Jump in there with the rest. I have a mission, and I chose to accept it. I chose to accept being the only sole person in the entire universe. Fact check that on Wikipedia. Who is going to review every single makeup product that ever was. Please join me for the journey. Hit the subscribe button, and we're gonna go on together. I will see you in the next one. Cheers, Bee!